Good day, kids. In Quarter 1, Week 5, describe changes in the properties of materials when exposed to certain conditions, such as temperature or when mixed with other materials. Part 2 of our video. Let us look back. Identify how the physical process changed the properties of the materials. Solid, when heated, it turns into liquid through melting. Liquid can turn into solid when cooled through freezing. Liquid can turn into gas when heated through evaporation. Gas can turn into liquid when condensed through condensation. Solid can turn into gas when heated through sublimation. Let us learn new things. Today we'll describe changes in the properties of solid materials when mixed with other solid materials or liquid materials. Look at the pictures. The rock salt, pepper, vaccine are solid materials. Cooking oil, soy sauce, and vinegar are liquid materials. Solid and liquid have different characteristics. What might happen if you mix solid to liquid, and liquid to liquid materials? Mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances or materials which are physically combined. Mixture can be a combination of solid and solid, solid and liquid, or liquid and liquid substances. Mixture can also be classified as homogeneous or heterogeneous. These are examples of homogeneous mixture when solid is mixed with another solid materials. The milk and the chocolate, iodized salt and vaccine, cornstarch and baby powder. When some solid materials are mixed with other solids and form a uniform appearance, or that every material cannot be identified or distinguished from each other, this is called a homogeneous mixture. These are examples of heterogeneous mixture: mixed nuts, tossed salad, and pizza. They are made up of all solid materials combined with another solid materials. When some solid materials are mixed with other solids, and each of the combined materials can be easily identified from one another, this is called a heterogeneous mixture. Solid materials can be mixed or combined with liquid materials too. Some solid materials completely dissolve in liquid materials, while others do not. Some solid materials settle at the bottom of the container, while others stayed within the liquid. Some solid materials spread out evenly in the liquid materials, while some do not when solid is combined to liquid materials. These are examples of homogeneous mixture when solid is mixed with liquid materials. The milk powder as solid materials and water as the liquid materials. Chocolate powder in water and sugar in hot water. When some solid materials are mixed with other liquid, and it forms a uniform appearance which component cannot be identified from one another, this is called a homogeneous mixture. The solid material is dissolved completely in liquid. These are examples of heterogeneous mixture when solid is mixed with liquid materials. Ice cubes in fruit juice, black pepper in water, and soup. When some solid materials are mixed with other liquid, in which component can be identified from one another, this is called a heterogeneous mixture. When mixed with liquid, some solid materials change their size, shape, and color, while some do not. Liquid and another liquid can be mixed together. Liquid materials mix other liquid materials. While some liquid materials completely mix with other liquids, others form two layers like oil and water. These are examples of homogeneous mixture when liquid is combined with another liquid materials. Soy sauce and vinegar, liquid detergent and fabric conditioner. These are examples of heterogeneous mixture when liquid is combined with another liquid. Soy sauce and cooking oil, honey and water. They form two layers. Now kids, let us apply what we've learned. Be cautious in combining two or more materials. Some changes are useful, but some are harmful. These are examples of useful changes. It applies in cooking when we put together all the ingredients to create a delicious meal. When two or more metals are combined together, it is very important in metal production. But some are harmful, like when we combine bleach and acid, it creates a harmful gas. The same way as we combine hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. Now, let us check. Which of the following describes what happens to white sugar when mixed with iodized salt? A. White sugar cannot be distinguished from iodized salt. B. White sugar can be distinguished from iodized salt. C. White sugar settles at the bottom of iodized salt. And D. White sugar is completely mixed with iodized salt. Okay, the answer is white sugar cannot be distinguished from iodized salt. Which of the situations below is true when white sugar is mixed with hot water? A. Sugar settles at the bottom of the container. B. Sugar completely dissolves in water. C. Sugar will not dissolve in water. Or D. Sugar will form layers. The answer is sugar completely dissolves in water because of hot temperature. What will happen to the flour when it's mixed with cold water? A. The flour will partially dissolve in water. B. The flour will not dissolve in water at all. C. The flour will completely dissolve in water. Or D. The flour will not settle at the bottom of the water. The answer is the flour will partially dissolve in water. Some solid materials when mixed with other solid materials can be easily identified from one another. What type of mixture is formed? A. Homogeneous mixture. B. Heterogeneous mixture. C. Solid-liquid materials. Or D. Liquid-liquid materials. The answer is heterogeneous mixture. When you combine the two materials on the pictures, the copper and the tin, what type of mixture is formed? Bronze is homogeneous mixture. B. Bronze is heterogeneous mixture. C. The bronze is solid liquid materials. Or D. Liquid materials. The answer is homogeneous mixture.